human evolution is a truly epic tale. It's a story that spans millions of years, taking us from the African savanna to every corner of the globe. This incredible journey has shaped who we are today. It has given us our large brains, our ability to walk upright, and our capacity for language and culture. The quest to understand our origins is deeply fascinating. Scientists have unearthed countless fossils and artifacts that piece together the intricate puzzle of our past. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the forces that drove our evolution. From the earliest hominids to the emergence of modern humans, our ancestors faced countless challenges. They adapted to changing environments, competed for resources, and ultimately thrived. Their story is one of resilience, ingenuity, and the enduring power of life itself. Join me now as we delve into the fascinating world of human evolution. Together we'll explore the key stages of this extraordinary journey from our ape-like ancestors to the remarkable species we are today. Our story begins in the lush forests of Africa millions of years ago. It was here that our earliest primate ancestors lived, swinging from branches and foraging for food. These ancient primates possessed many of the traits we still see in monkeys and apes today: flexible hands, keen eyesight, and a complex social structure. Around 6 to 8 million years ago, a crucial divergence occurred. The lineage that would eventually lead to humans split from the ancestors of chimpanzees and gorillas. This marked the beginning of the hominin lineage, the group that includes modern humans and all our extinct bipedal ancestors. One of the defining characteristics of hominins is bipedalism, the ability to walk upright on two legs. This evolutionary adaptation was a game changer, freeing up our hands for tool use and carrying, and ultimately paving the way for our unique journey. As we continue our exploration, we'll delve deeper into the specific adaptations that set our ancestors apart and fueled our remarkable evolutionary success. Imagine a world without cars, bicycles, or even horses. For our early hominin ancestors, the ability to walk efficiently on two legs was a major advantage. It allowed them to cover long distances in search of food and water, especially in the changing environments of ancient Africa. But bipedalism wasn't just about getting around, it also freed up our ancestors' hands for carrying food, tools, and even infants. This had profound implications for their way of life, allowing them to exploit new resources and adapt to new challenges. The shift to bipedalism also brought about significant changes in anatomy. Our ancestors' pelvises became shorter and broader, their spines developed a distinctive S-shape, and their feet became more arched and less flexible. These adaptations provided stability and balance for upright walking. Over time, as bipedalism became more ingrained in our ancestors' way of life, it paved the way for other remarkable adaptations, including the development of larger brains and the ability to make and use tools. In 1974, a team in Ethiopia made a groundbreaking discovery. They unearthed the partial skeleton of a female hominin, Lucy. Lucy's skeleton provided crucial insights into early hominin evolution. Her bones confirmed our ancestors walked upright long before developing large brains. Lucy's legacy connects us to our distant past and the journey of human evolution. Section 5: Handyman, Homo habilis, and the power of tools. As the millennia passed, new hominin species emerged. Homo habilis, meaning handyman, appeared in Africa around 2.4 million years ago. This early human ancestor marked a significant leap forward. Renowned for the earliest known stone tools, these simple tools, known as Oldowan tools, were used for cutting meat and plants. Tools gave them a crucial advantage, marking a turning point in human evolution. Section 6: A bigger brain for a bigger world. As hominins continued to evolve, one trend stood out: the steady increase in brain size. Over millions of years, our ancestors' brains grew larger and more complex, paving the way for advanced cognitive abilities. A larger brain is an energetically expensive organ to maintain, requiring a high-quality diet to fuel its growth and development. The shift to a more meat-rich diet, facilitated by tool use and scavenging, likely played a crucial role in supporting the growth of hominin brains. With increased brain power came enhanced cognitive abilities. Hominins developed better problem-solving skills, more sophisticated social interactions, and eventually the capacity for language. These advancements allowed them to adapt to a wider range of environments and to thrive in new and challenging ways. The expansion of the human brain was a gradual process driven by a complex interplay of factors, but its impact on our lineage was profound, setting the stage for the emergence of modern humans with our remarkable cognitive abilities. Section 7. Out of Africa, the human diaspora. Around 2 million years ago, a new chapter unfolded in the human story. A hominin species with a larger brain and a more modern body plan emerged in Africa. They were skilled toolmakers, controlled fire, and were likely the first hominins to migrate out of Africa, spread far and wide, colonizing parts of Asia and Europe. These intrepid explorers faced a variety of environments, from the frigid steppes of Europe to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. Their ability to adapt to such diverse conditions is a testament to their resilience and ingenuity. The migration marked a significant expansion of the human range and set the stage for the emergence of new hominin populations in different parts of the world. Their dispersal paved the way for the eventual rise of our own species in Africa. As we trace the footsteps of these ancient travelers, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of our species and our shared human heritage. Section 8. Neanderthals, our closest relatives. As spread across the globe, new hominin populations evolved in different parts of the world. One such group was the Neanderthals, who inhabited Europe and parts of Asia from about 400,000 to 40,000 years ago. Neanderthals were remarkably well adapted to cold climates. They were stockier and more muscular than modern humans, with a pronounced brow ridge and a larger nose to warm and humidify cold, dry air. They were skilled hunters, using sophisticated tools and even controlling fire to survive in harsh environments. Contrary to earlier depictions of Neanderthals as primitive and brutish, archaeological evidence suggests they were intelligent and resourceful. They buried their dead, cared for their sick, and even created symbolic artifacts, suggesting a capacity for abstract thought. Genetic studies have revealed that modern humans and Neanderthals interbred during their period of coexistence. As a result, most people today carry a small percentage of Neanderthal DNA, a testament to our shared ancestry and the complex history of our species. Section 9. The DNA Detective, Unlocking the Secrets of Our Past. Genetics has revolutionized our understanding of human evolution. By analyzing DNA, scientists trace our ancestry and unravel our past. All modern humans originated in Africa from a common ancestor. DNA reveals our interactions with Neanderthals and Denisovans. Decoding DNA helps us piece together human evolution. Section 10. The future of evolution. Are we still changing? Many people think of evolution as a process that happened in the distant past. But the truth is, evolution is an ongoing process that continues to shape our species today. While the pace of human evolution may have slowed due to factors like modern medicine and technology, we are still subject to the forces of natural selection. Our environment, our lifestyle choices, and even our cultural practices continue to influence our genetic makeup. For example, the prevalence of lactose tolerance, the ability to digest milk sugar in some human populations, is a relatively recent evolutionary adaptation linked to the domestication of cattle and the consumption of dairy products. As we continue to alter our environment and our way of life, we can expect further evolutionary changes to occur in the future. The rise of antibiotic resistance, the increasing prevalence of certain genetic disorders, and even our adaptation to urban environments are all examples of evolution in action. Section 11. Reflections on our ancestry. As we conclude our journey through the fascinating world of human evolution, we are left with a profound sense of wonder and awe. From our humble primate origins to our current status as the dominant species on Earth, our story is one of remarkable adaptation, resilience, and the enduring power of life itself. The study of human evolution is not merely an academic pursuit. it has profound implications for our understanding of who we are, where we came from, and our place in the grand scheme of life. It reminds us that we are part of a vast and interconnected web of life, sharing a common ancestry with all living things on this planet. As we continue to explore our past and unlock the secrets of our genetic heritage, we gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible journey that brought us to this point in time. The study of human evolution is ultimately a celebration of the extraordinary diversity and adaptability of life on Earth.